But have you ever thought, what if this is all just a dream?
Outside Ikebukuro station, because this is as good a place as any to talk to you, and the lighting's good. Basically, I'm about to do what I don't do nearly that often, probably not as often as I should, definitely not as often as many other YouTubers do, and that is I'm going to ask you for your money. Please support the channel if you can. I know those of you who already support on Patreon have been supporting for a really long time, and you guys are awesome. It's been a real fucking lifesaver. Going forward, I'm sure you've noticed, trying to put a bit more effort into this channel. If you guys want to help, you can, and I would really appreciate it. You could support on Patreon, you could do a once-off drop on PayPal, or you could get me something off the Yahoo, off the Amazon wish list. All three links are in the description below. And of course, if you, like me, are struggling a bit, just support by subscribing if you haven't subscribed. We are 52 odd away from 5,000. It'll be a nice milestone to reach. Share the videos you like with the people you think that might like them. If you like it, if you think someone would like it, share it with them.